I'm back down doing what I love.
With an over 95% satisfaction rate, we've helped patients nationwide. Call the Lung Health Institute today at 800-460-LUNG.
The purpose of the briefing was to let our congressional leadership know exactly what we've been doing. I discussed it at length.
Did you tell Congress?
And I told Congress what we had done.
Did anyone object?
That's the important part here, Savannah. No one objected.
Do you still believe the president could be a Russian asset?
I think it's possible. I think that's why we started our investigation. And I'm really anxious to see where Director Mueller concludes that.
A stunning admission there from Andrew McCabe, the former acting FBI director, saying he had informed the bipartisan Gang of Eight about a counterintelligence investigation into President Trump, and none of them objected. Former Congressman Trey Gowdy, not one of the Gang of Eight, is challenging that claim.
And Paul